The Hustler 4B-TV is a very popular vertical antenna. It'll handle a kilowatt and it's self-supporting. But from time to time people ask, what about the WARC bands? Well, I did publish a video some while ago telling you how you could quite easily modify the 4B-TV to add the 17 metre band, which is one of the WARC bands. And it's actually quite easy. In fact, there are three ways of modifying the 4B-TV to cover the WARC bands, or at least the 17 metre band. First of all, you could actually take a wire connected to the base of the antenna. That wire is resonant as a quarter wave on 17 metres, and just take it parallel upwards to the 4B-TV. You need to space it by, I don't know, 4 or 5 centimetres. It will have a slight effect on the tuning, but you can probably tolerate that. It's probably fairly minor. And that will actually give you the 17 metre band, just a wire connected to the base of the antenna and spaced, I say, about 4 or 5 centimetres away from the antenna, perhaps a bit more if you can manage it. Well, you've got to actually work out how you're going to do the spacing, of course, that's up to you. Now, in the original video I published, I said that you could add a Hustler RM17 mobile whip, base loaded mobile whip, and that's very easy. And you'll see in the picture here where I made a metal bracket, and then mounted the RM17 whip just below the 10 metre trap, in other words the first trap up from the ground. And that works quite well, and it works on the basis that RF always wants to find the easiest way. And if you feed 10 metre RF, 28 megahertz RF into the base of the antenna, it's quite happy because the base of the antenna up to that 10 metre trap is resonant at 10 metres, so it's fine. If you then feed 17 metres or 18 megahertz energy into that antenna, it won't like it. It will get high VSWR because the RF is struggling. It doesn't see anything that's resonant. But if you attach a 17 metre base loaded mobile whip just below that 10 metre trap, then all of a sudden the 17 metre energy finds an easy path, and that means to say that the antenna will resonate on 17 metres courtesy of the 17 metre mobile whip you've added. It won't affect the 10 metre energy, the 28 megahertz energy, because at 28 megahertz the RF still sees a resonant antenna up to that 10 metre trap, and the 17 metre mobile whip you've added just below, it sees that as a choke. It sees it as a choke because I sort of emphasised at the beginning of the video, or at least I should emphasise now, that you do need a base loaded whip, not a helically wound whip, a base loaded whip. So if a base loaded whip, that inductance is seen as a lump inductance by 28 megahertz and it ignores it. So you've actually got an antenna that will resonate on 28 megahertz and 17 metres, and of course all the other bands as well. But the other way is to use a DX engineering product which we've just added to our website, and that enables you to resonate the antenna on 17 metres using very similar principles that I described with the RM17 base loaded coil that Hustler make. I should add that I don't think the RM17 metre coil from Hustler is readily available in the UK now, so you may either have to make your own mobile whip or use the DX engineering whip if you want to go that way. I still use mine. I've got the RM17 Hustler mobile whip attached, and it works extremely well. But as I say, the RM17 mobile whip I don't think is readily available at the moment in the UK. You can make your own mobile whip. It's essential, as I said just now, that mobile whip is base loaded, because it depends. The lump inductance at the bottom is the thing that isolates that antenna when you're operating 28 megahertz. So bear that in mind. But it's possible, and a bit of ingenuity, a bit of engineering skill, and you'll add 17 metres quite happily to the 4B-TV. And when there's a contest on and the bands are sort of packed with contest stations, you want a bit of peace and quiet, you can go on 17 metres.
A very good afternoon to you, my good friend. I was 59 here north of the Arctic Circle, and my name is Tor, a Tango Oscar Romeo, Golf 3 Oscar Juliet Victor, from Lima Alpha 6.
Okay, short video, but I thought I'd just cover that point because every so often I get asked, can you modify the 4B TV for 17 metres? Yes, you can. And I'll put a link to the DX Engineering modification kit below this video, so that if you want to buy a kit and touch it yourself, already made, ready to go, then you can order that from us. In the meantime, thanks for your support on this channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. It does help us a bit, and it also indicates when a new video comes up. In the meantime, enjoy your ham radio, you take care, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.